tossing and turning all night? What if your Android phone could help you sleep like a baby? We've got the top Android apps to transform your nights, backed by science. Stick around to find out which ones made the cut. You'll wish you knew this sooner. Getting quality sleep is crucial for your health, but 1 in 3 adults struggle with insomnia. The good news, your Android phone can help. We scoured GadInsider's list of the best sleep apps for 2025 to bring you the top picks that'll help you relax, track your sleep, and wake up refreshed. Let's dive in. First up, Sleep Cycle. This app tracks your sleep patterns using your phone's mic or accelerometer, giving you detailed stats like sleep duration and quality. Its intelligent alarm wakes you during your lightest sleep phase, so you feel energized, not groggy. It's perfect for understanding your sleep habits and even detects snoring. Free with premium options for extra features. Next, Sleepa. Need to unwind? Sleepa lets you mix 32 high-quality sounds like rain, waves, or white noise to create your perfect sleep vibe. Set a timer and it stops automatically. Plus, its gentle alarm feature eases you into the day. It's free, simple, and a must for anyone who loves calming sounds. Then we have Better Sleep, a fan favorite with over 65 App Store App of the Day awards. It offers sleep sounds, guided meditations, and bedtime stories to help you drift off. You can even try sleep exercises approved by experts. Free with in-app purchases, it's ideal for stress relief and better rest. Why should you care? These apps do more than just play sounds. They help you understand your sleep, reduce stress, and build better habits. Whether you're battling insomnia or just want to wake up refreshed, there's an app for you. And they're all available on Android, many for free. Here's a pro tip. For the best results, place your phone near your bed for tracking apps like Sleep Cycle. Dim your screen or use a blue light filter to avoid disruptions. Apps like Twilight can help with that. And stick with it for a week to see real changes in your sleep. Ready to sleep better? Download Sleep Cycle, Sleepa, or Better Sleep from Google Play Store today. They're free to try. Drop your take in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech tips to level up your life. Thanks for watching, Sleep Warriors. Catch some Z's, and I'll see you in the next video. Sweet dreams!